Hey, it's Jeff Cole, and in this video, we look at using the project tree to help you align the right improvement method to the right type of project. That's right, there are a number of different improvement methods, and rightfully so. Why? Well, a carpenter doesn't have just one tool. They have many because each tool is designed for a specific task. For example, if you wanted to saw a board in half, a screwdriver is a pretty lousy choice. It may be better to use a handsaw or even a power saw to do it faster and more accurately. It's the same thing with process improvement methods. Having just one method and trying to address everything with it ranges from being inefficient to downright painful to watch. Maybe you've seen those train wrecks in the past. It's not pretty. So we're going to look at the project tree where we have 6 of the most popular improvement methods out there. Let's start with what I call just do it projects. This is often overlooked, but some projects don't need a special method. Just solid project management is fine. These type projects might include executing a software upgrade at work, choosing new office furniture, notifying all customers of a policy change, or maybe building that shed in your backyard. Next up, there's lean. With lean, waste is the enemy, and we want smoother process flow. These projects might include things like using 5S to organize your stockroom, moving equipment around to create a better workflow, or eliminating batching to improve throughput. If you're trained in Six Sigma, you're familiar with DMAIC, the main method for process improvement. It stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. For DMAIC to make sense, we have to meet 3 criteria. First, you're trying to improve a process that already exists. Second, that process is broken, meaning it's too slow, there's defects, customer complaints, or other pain points about that process. And lastly, you don't know what the root cause or the solution is. DMAIC projects might include things like eliminating errors in an invoicing process, reducing patient wait times, or improving yield in an assembly process. Next up is DMAIC's cousin DMADV, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Design, and Verify. This is also known as Design for Six Sigma or DFSS. This is the method to use when you want to create a new process with quality woven in. That way you'll never have to use DMAIC to try to improve it. DMADV projects typically involve designing new products, new services, or new processes. While DMAIC and DMADV focus on process improvement, 8D is a problem-solving methodology. The 8 stands for the original 8 steps, although today there are really 9 steps, and the D stands for disciplines. It was invented at Ford and is popular in manufacturing. For example, if you come home to find a broken pipe flooding your basement, 8D is for you. Other examples may be where you have parts that don't fit, or perhaps equipment that doesn't work. Lastly, we have quick wins. Sometimes called low-hanging fruit, quick wins are situations where you see a problem and the solution is readily apparent, it's self-evident, and can be implemented really quick. Examples of quick wins might be simply placing the tools you need within reach versus across the room, putting a shortcut icon on your desktop to get to a document immediately, storing supplies in clear containers so you can see if you're running out, and the list is really endless. In fact, the lean methodology uses Kaizen events that sometimes focus on doing a lot of quick win type improvements in an area over a short amount of time. So that's our quick overview, and it's worth a look at the project tree to make sure your teams are picking the right method for their next project. If you found this helpful, please give it a share or a like below. You can also check the notes below this video and also click right on the screen to download your free copy of the Annotated Project Tree poster. You can subscribe to this channel and also see one of our other videos. Thank you for watching.